Hello friends. Today I invite you on a journey to one of the most mysterious places on our planet, Antarctica. This land of eternal ice, shrouded in frosty silence, holds many secrets. But one of them is both astonishingly strange and incredibly captivating. We're talking about the so-called Red Rivers of Antarctica, or as they're also known, Blood Falls of Taylor Glacier. Imagine this. Amidst the pristine white landscape, a stream of bright red water suddenly appears as if nature itself has begun to bleed. What is this phenomenon? Let's find out. Blood Falls is located in East Antarctica in the McMurdo Dry Valleys. At first glance, it seems like the red stream is an illusion or a trick of unusual lighting. But upon closer inspection it becomes clear. The flow is indeed blood red. This sight not only looks astonishingly bizarre but also almost mystical. For many years, scientists puzzled over this mystery. Legends of bloody rivers began to turn into true myths when geologists first discovered them in 1911. Back then, no one could explain why the water appeared as though it flowed straight from the heart of a living organism. It turned out that the cause of this phenomenon lies in the chemical composition of the water. The red color is due to a high concentration of iron oxide, which gives the water its bloody hue. Millions of years ago, beneath Taylor Glacier, there existed a small saltwater lake isolated from the outside world. When the glacier began to cover this area, the lake became trapped beneath its thick ice. Without access to light and air, astonishing chemical processes began to take place in these waters. In total isolation, microbes developed that survived through a chemical reaction between iron and water. These microorganisms, like ancient alchemists, continue to produce iron oxide, which tints the water red when it seeps through the ice to the surface. But it's not just science that seeks to explain this phenomenon. Such an unusual occurrence has its own myths. Some believe the blood rivers are a metaphorical warning to humanity from nature itself. According to one legend, when these rivers finally dry up, a new catastrophe or global climate change will begin. Local researchers who have studied Antarctica for years share fascinating stories. Some claim that the area around Blood Falls has an unusual energy, as if the Earth itself is whispering an ancient secret. There are even hypotheses suggesting that beneath the ice lies not only rivers but also traces of ancient life, possibly an entirely different civilization that vanished thousands or millions of years ago. Amazingly, Blood Falls offers scientists a key to understanding not only Earth's past but also the potential for life beyond it. If microbes can survive under such harsh conditions, then life might also exist on other planets, such as Europa, Jupiter's moon, where subice salty oceans are believed to exist. Moreover, studying Blood Falls helps us understand how our planet reacts to climate changes. These ancient microbes and chemical processes reveal how ecosystems can adapt to extreme conditions and persist for millions of years. Despite scientific breakthroughs, Taylor Glacier's Blood Falls continues to intrigue the imagination. Where did so much iron come from in the underground lake? How many more hidden worlds lie beneath Antarctica's glaciers? And what secrets does this isolated ecosystem conceal? Every time we encounter such natural anomalies, one thing becomes clear. Our planet is full of astonishing mysteries. Perhaps in the future we'll uncover even more. But for now, the Red Rivers of Antarctica remain a symbol of nature's unresolved enigma. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more about such unusual phenomena, give a like, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think the icy continent still hides? Thank you for joining me. See you next time, friends, and as always, stay curious.